Hi, my name is Jonas and today I show you how to mount the Monsoon Evo 2 on your bike. And for installation you need a 8mm wrench and a 3mm Allen key. The bracket is set to 18mm diameter as a standard. The position of the bracket is on both sides on the outside. To maximize compatibility, the mounting brackets can be installed in 4 different positions. This allows the Monsoon Evo 2 to fit a wider range of rack geometries and avoid obstructions. Choose the bracket position that best matches your rack position and desired bag alignment. First, check the diameter of your pannier rack. If you have 16mm diameter, remove the 8 bolts and nuts that hold the brackets. Then turn the brackets 180 degrees and mount them using the spare self-locking nuts. Repeat this step also for the other side. Make sure all bolts are secured, but do not over-tighten. Torque the bolts so that the slider in the bracket still moves smoothly. If it does not move smoothly, loosen it a little bit. If you have an obstacle where you want to mount the bracket, you simply move the bracket to another position to avoid any collision. Remove all the 6 bolts with an Allen key. For the 2 nuts with a washer, you need an 8mm wrench. Move the bracket assembly with the 4 bolts to the new position. Make sure that the counter plate on the inside of the bag is in position when installing the bolts. Then take the spare self-locking nuts to assemble in the new position. Don't forget to put the washers under the nut that secures the shorter bolts. Make sure all bolts are secured, but do not over-tighten. Torque the bolts so that the slider in the bracket still moves smoothly. If it does not move smoothly, loosen it a little bit. Hang the bags onto the rack with the sliders in the up position. Then pull the sliders down and secure the slider with the ball lock pins. Take the cam lock strap and secure them around the suitable attachment point of the bike and loop them back through the cam lock. Repeat this step also for the other side. This is how you mount your Monsoon Evo 2 on your bike. If you have any questions, your local Enduristan dealer is happy to help, or just shoot us an email directly. Thanks and stay safe.